Jai Srimannarayana. Second sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kshetrajñam chapi mam vidhi sarvakshetreshu bharata. क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोः ज्ञानं यत्तत् ज्ञानं मतं मम। ॐ You and your body belongs to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As and how your body is serving you, you must be serving to Sri Krishna Paramatma constantly. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Krishna, oh Srimannarayana, I realize that I myself and my body belongs to you. I also realize and I shall try that as and how my body is serving me, I shall be serving you constantly. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please guide me to act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। श्रीमद्भागवतमो दशमस्कन्धं 10th स्कन्धं 229th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this: Hey Bhagavan, to attain you, devotion, bhakti is only the way, only the means. You have so much of bliss. You are an embodiment of bliss. Your glow is unlimited. Gunatmanastepi gunan vimatum hita avatirnasya ka Ishwaresya. Your divine attributes, Kalyana gunas also unlimited. Such Kalyana gunas, such your divine Svarupas, Indriyamula Cheta Ettakela Erugangana Gune. One cannot understand your divine attributes, divine Svarupas, how much ever they put their efforts. If at all anyone, anytime is able to count what are the sand grains on this earth, they may be able to do it. Tara tushara sikara bhurajamula kaina lekka budhuliduduru. Maybe one can count the stars in the space at some point, but bhubhara avatirna karudagu ನೀರಮ್ಯ ಗುಣಾಳು ಇನ್ನನಿ ನೇರರು ಅಗಣ್ಯ. But even those greatest scholars who could count the sand grains on the earth and stars on the space cannot count your divine Kalyana Gunas, which you have shown in so many avataras, which you have taken to bring down the heaviness of this Bhudevi. Bhagavan, nobody can count your Kalyana Gunas, divine Svarupas, and nobody can imagine your divine glow. That means you are beyond all counts. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 2nd sloka. Kshetrajñanchapi mam vidhi sarvakshetreshu bharata. Kshetrakshetrajñayor jnanam yattadjnanam matam mama. Kshetrajñanchapi mam vidhi sarvakshetreshu bharata. Kshetrakshetrajñayor jnanam yattadjnanam matam mama. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.